Our project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. We've had a short in one of the electromagnets, so I thought I'd take the time to show you exactly how they were fabricated. Basically, it's just a big coil of wire in the center. We have a metal sleeve inside the PVC sleeve that helps concentrate the magnetic field. And you can see on the insulation tape where the wire cut through and shorted out on the metal tube. So we'll be making those repairs and continue testing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. Just a quick shot of the double cam contact switch. This is a weak area. It'll definitely need to be improved. But it's working for now. Alright, hey, cool. Check back in about half hour, see if it's still working. Cool. Ground project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. We've installed the 50-pound bob. It's being pushed by an electromagnet on each side. Seems positioning is critical. I don't know, it's triggering when it gets over here. We'll see how it goes after another 10-15 minutes. But you can see where it's definitely not. And it just stopped triggering on this side. So, Ground project, gravity assisted pulse motor update. Installed the electromagnets, one on each side. Tried it with 50 pounds. The repulsion field generated by the electromagnets wasn't enough to keep the oscillation, sustain an oscillation of the pendulum, and so we kept reducing the weights, and it appears that the fields are only strong enough now to keep the 10-pound weight bob, going back and forth at this time. So we'll have to. The reason is the electromagnet current has decreased because I'm running the two of them in series, for a simple circuit, and you can see where it's toggling. So they're both being energized each time the contact switch is triggered. And what we'll have to do is fabricate separate circuits so we can increase the current going to each electromagnet. But so that's where we're at this point. So we'll be making modifications and adding the gear transmission, probably a 1 to 3, and then we'll go from there. See if there's enough force to generate a voltage current at the PMA output, and continue testing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. It's kind of fascinating, though. Heavier the weight. Turn off the air conditioner. The heavier the weight, the field just isn't strong enough to generate a sufficient push to keep the heavier bob swinging back and forth. So we'll fabricate a separate circuit, one for each electromagnet, and pile on the 50 pounds and see how it performs. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.